Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how to make crispy fried Indian spiced chicken wings that make for a great appetizer or snack for a get together with friends or even a family night in. And I'm making the deep fried version today, but you can easily air fry or oven bake these wings. I have shared the link to the written recipe and these variations in the description box, so check that out. And now let's get started, shall we? For making these Indian spiced chicken wings, you need 15 chicken wings, and I have used these pre-cut chicken wings that are cut into two with the wing tip discarded. Then for the first marinade, you need 2 tablespoons red chili paste, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, half teaspoon chili vinegar, and 1 teaspoon salt. And for the second marinade, you need 2 tablespoon corn flour, 2 tablespoon all-purpose flour or maida, 2 tablespoon rice flour, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, and 3 tablespoon water to be adjusted as needed. For the first marinade, which is basically for flavoring, mix together red chili paste, ginger garlic paste, soy sauce, chili vinegar and salt. Add in the chicken wings. Coat the chicken well with the marinade and let the chicken marinate in this spice mix for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then for the second marinade, which is for the coating and some additional flavor, mix together all the ingredients, the spices and flours, and add this mix to the marinated chicken wings along with some water and mix everything together. And adjust the quantity of water required little by little, as there will be some moisture from the earlier marinade. The goal is to get a semi-thick paste-like marinade that can be applied somewhat evenly over the wings right before frying them. Then in a frying pan, heat up the oil and add in the chicken wings, ensuring to spread the marinade somewhat evenly on the wing. And it's best to add in only a few at a time so as to not overcrowd the pan. Fry the wings for 5 to 7 minutes on medium flame till the chicken is cooked and has turned crisp and golden brown. And there you have it, crispy fried Indian spiced chicken wings. Eat them as is or serve them with a dip of your choice and enjoy! For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!